Hello YouTube, Rhound, useful properties and contraindications. The list of fresh spring greens and vegetables on our table is increasingly expanding. To the products that add spring to dishes and increase their nutritional value, consider rhubarb. His season begins. Rhubarb is a vegetable, but because it has a sweet and sour taste, it is frequent in desserts, sweet bakery products. The edible part of the plant is juicy and fleshy petioles of leaves that can have a different color. Varieties with green cuttings tasted. Rhubarb with pink and red petioles is less sour. What is the value of rhubarb? Like other vegetables, it is rich in fiber and pectin. 100 grams of cherries contain 14.0% of the daily pectin and 12.8% fiber. The petioles contain a small amount of starch, in 100 grams to 0.22 grams, and sucrose, 0.1 grams. In the rhubarb, the high vitamin K content, which regulates blood coagulation, up to 25% of the daily needs, and a small amount of vitamin C, a 10th part daily norm in 100 grams. Among the minerals there are more calcium salts, potassium, manganese and chromium. The acidic taste of rhubarb gives a large number of organic acids, apple, citric and oxalic. In young petioles, apple and citric acids prevail, and in the old content they are falling, but a lot of oxalic acid accumulates. As a result, cuttings become rude, hard and unprofitable for food. Rhubarb is a tasty and healthy plant, but it has contraindications and side effects. Taking more adults, rhubarb is dangerous due to the high content of oxalic acid in them. It, falling into the human body, is associated with calcium and forms oxalates. These salts can organize crystals known as renal oxalate stones. Therefore, the use of rhubarb with urolithiasis, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, cholecystitis should not be avoided. It should not be consumed by pregnant women. In order not to exceed the permissible level of oxalic acid, which comes with food, you can use a small amount, up to 100 grams of young cuttings. Interestingly, such restrictions are for green sorrel. They also do not have to overeat. Sorrel can be up to 50 to 60 grams per day. In addition, both rhubarb and sorrel should not enter our diet daily. For eating it is important to choose only young cuttings. The leaves are inedible, they are not eaten. Oxalic acid there are several times more there than in petioles. In addition, the leaves have a lot of natural glycoside of anthraquinone, which gives red to the plant and can cause undesirable intestinal cramps. Rhubarb is better to eat fresh. It can be stored in the refrigerator in sealed bags, having previously cut off the leaves and cut the ends. Cuttings are also frozen. The peel is removed before cooking. Rhubarb is often used as a filling in sweet pies. Make jam, zzcotta, jam out of it. Cinnamon, ginger, strawberries, apples and other fruits go well with rhubarb and reduce the amount of sugar added to the dishes. They make refreshing drinks, compote, jelly from it. Add to sauces. Together with other vegetables, rhubarb can be used as a side dish for meat, fish and poultry. Healthy and delicious food to you. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.